Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new wig review. The unit we're going to be looking at is by Outre. It is from their Sleeklay part, and her name is Lilibeth. Now, Lilibeth I did get in the color DRBL Sandy Blonde. She does, however, you guys, come in 6 other specialty colors. This is what those colors are, in addition to, you know, the normal 1B type of colors. Y'all, that stock model, oh my gosh, she sold me this wig, baby. But this is what Miss Lilibeth is looking like. She does have the dark root. She comes with some wispy little baby hairs. You all, she is an HD transparent lace, as you can see, and we're going to talk more about that. She has 2 combs on the sides and the front, 1 comb in the back, and of course the adjustable straps. She's also an aerated cap. Okay guys, so this is what she's looking like on my wig stand. And you all, she is very, very, very silky. So just so you know, I'm trying to show y'all how she doesn't have a whole lot of yakety yak to her, but she is still beautiful. This is what her hairline's looking like. I am going to go in and pluck it just a little bit. I mean, this don't look bad though, you guys. You could definitely roll with it if you want to, but again, I'm just going to pluck just a few strands out of the front. And I'm not going to do it all the way down the hairline, just more in the front by my forehead and temples. Now, I will say, you guys, when you're plucking your hairlines, just be careful, take your time, because you definitely do not want to put a hole in your lace. Now, this is how much I did pluck out of her in the front. I'm going to go ahead, get this lace cut. You guys, I told you all about how to cut your lace on the last video, so I'm not going to really go into detail about that on this one. This is what the lace is looking like. It is supposed to be transparent lace. And this is how my hairline is looking after I cut that lace off. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Cover Up Spray to tint my lace. I do use the color dark blonde, and I like the dark blonde in the winter time because my skin complexion changes from summer to winter. And this is the before and after I tint my lace. Okay, y'all, I want to stop right here and just tell you about, because people ask me all the time about, what's that cap you wear on your head? Well, this cap, you all, I've done like 4 whole videos on the different styles of this cap. I'll leave a link to the playlist there that has all 4 videos. There's 2 different types. This is called a grip cap. So there is a wig grip and a grip cap. Now, the difference, I'm gonna leave a link, sis. You watch the videos, you'll see the difference between all of them. I have come to much more love the grip cap than the wig grip. And the reason why is that the grip cap is a wig grip plus like a cap all in one that keeps your hair, you know, nice and laid. And I wanted to show you guys like what it looks like. You can order these from my Amazon website. I will leave the link in the description box. It's always there. But this is what it looks like, the packaging that you'll get. It's called the Milano Lace Grip Cap. Okay? It comes in 2 colors. This one is chocolate brown, and it also comes in the color nude. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's what the nude looks like. The one I have on is called chocolate brown. I hate to even keep telling y'all about this because I hate going hard for this company because they won't sponsor me. The problem is I love their product so much, and I know you guys would love it, so I still want to put you on even though I'm not getting paid to sponsor or getting a paid sponsorship from them. It's just a good product. It is what it is, and I just want y'all to know about it as well because I love them. Like, you're going to have to pass up a couple combo meals maybe, but one of them costs $29.99 for a grip cap. And this is the lace grip cap. So they have a regular grip cap, and let me show you. Okay, this is the regular grip cap, and as you can see, there's no lace in the front. Now, I do wear these as well, but I prefer the one with the lace in the front just because depending on where I'm going to part my wig or which side, if I have one, like Lilibeth is, that has the part in the middle, I can just put my wig grip in the middle and lay my lace on top of it. If it was a side part, I would just move it to the side. But anyway, watch those videos and help your girl out. I just wanted to show you guys the difference though. They will come in packaging like this. And when you open it up, I just want to show you guys one other thing about it, okay? The thing I love about these, you can wash these, sis. So I am constantly washing mine. This one I've probably had a good year now. I wouldn't even doubt it. I always have several in rotation. So when one gets bad, I already got one in the drawer. Like this is my next one that's on deck. This is the new one I'm finna show y'all. So I always have several around. I just buy them whenever, but they're gonna come like this. And as you can see, they have a lace middle part. And here, I'll just take it off of here. And lace across the front on your hairline. See that? Where you just lay your wig right across that. Now, I will tell you guys, after a while of wear, this lace across the front will start to get a little frazzled, or frayed, I guess is the better word. And see, this is what I mean. So after you wash them, and you can wash them by hand, or what I do is I put them in a laundry bag and put the laundry bag in the washing machine. Y'all know what a laundry bag is? Okay, hold on. Because my girl Brittney from the Hearts and Cake 90 hit me to the laundry bags, and I'm never going back. Let me show you that too. Okay, guys, I will leave a link to these in the description box as well. But these are laundry bags. And I love laundry bags because, like, I wear support hose for work, or, you know, anytime you wear stockings, maybe your bras, maybe you wash some belts, you know, anything that can get kind of wrapped around your other clothes. Girl, throw it in a laundry bag and throw the laundry bag in the washing machine. You just throw the whole bag in there. So, like, for instance, I'll just take, you know, like, I'll put my grip caps in here, my bras, my stockings in here, and you just have it in here, and they come in multiple different sizes. You just throw this in the washing machine. You no longer have your clothes getting wrapped around each other. This is the best thing since sliced bread. So shout out to you, Brittney, for hipping me to these. Once I tried them, I never went back. Any delicates that you have, you guys, throw it in here, throw it in the washing machine, and your stuff is nice and protected, okay? So I put my grip caps, my bonnets, all of that stuff I'll put in here. I'll just throw it in with the regular laundry and wash it, or you can wash them by hand. Okay, enough of that commercial. What I do when this, when the very front part starts getting frayed, I take my scissors and I just cut along the frayed edges. So sort of like, you know how when you have a wig and the ends start going bad and we'll trim it. I constantly, like when this lace starts going bad, I just trim it, and then I still have a little lace left. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So y'all see how hairy that looks? So I just trim it back. And then eventually, sis, I done trimmed all the lace away, you know, on some of them, but it's okay. I still like having the grip cap because I still always have my middle lace parting, and we good. Okay, so see, I've cut the frayed edges back a little bit. And then I go ahead, I put it on, and as you can tell, like this one I have on, I've literally like cutting that one all the way back as well, but I've had it a long time, and as it starts looking bad, I just cut it back. Okay, but girl, she don't throw these away. She just keep them in rotation. I like the wig grip more so in the summertime when I'm sweating, and I love the grip caps for fall, winter, spring. Okay, So I just wanted to put y'all on, even though I ain't getting paid for it. All right, y'all. Let me get this dang old thing on my head, get it styled up, and we're going to talk about her. All right? Y'all done seen me lay a wig 1,000 times, so I'm not even going to show you because this video getting long. All right, I'll be back.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby.
And Happy New Year to ya. Happy New Year to ya. Happy New Year. Yeah, anybody else feeling like 2023? Like this finna be it, sis? This finna be our year. Yes. New beginnings, fresh start. Let's get it. All right, y'all, let's finish talking about this wig. So, I don't know if I said it yet, but this is Outre Sleeklay part Lilibeth. Where they got that name from? Girl, I don't know, but let's go with it, okay? So, Lilibeth, I gotta like to say, okay, she cute or whatever, but I don't feel like, wait a minute, did I get the same color as the stock card? Okay, so here's my issue with this wig. Okay, I'm supposed to have this color, y'all. See how I got the DR4 blonde, sandy blonde. I guess that's what the BL stand for. But see how mine don't look like hers, sis. Mine looks like all sandy blonde, which I ain't mad at. But I thought I was going to get like some of these brown undertones. You see that? How underneath the wig, hers is brown. Mine is not brown underneath my wig. See that? Mine is all like sandy brown, blonde. So I didn't get any of this brown underneath mine. So what's that all about, Outre? You owe me some brown fiber, sis. See, I don't have none of that brown under there. My whole thing is sandy blonde. Now, I do love my dark root with the yeah, I don't know what the BL stand for. I was thinking blonde, sandy blonde. But it should be like BR, sandy blonde. Because I feel like this is brown and this is sandy blonde. So can we like rename this color blend? Regardless, it's absolutely pretty. I love having the dark root up top. I just wish I had more of the same down here at the bottom. I feel like that would have really set this off. Now, is this wig still a look? Absolutely. She's screaming, Summer, come back. Where are you? But y'all know we got a cold front across the whole freaking nation. What the heck is really going on? Yeah, I'm all the way down in Florida and it's 24 degrees on Christmas Day. What the crap is that? But if you follow me on Instagram, you already know how I feel about it. This wig is so lightweight. Like, it's almost, the density is almost too light for me for the winter time. Like, I feel like this is a perfect density for summer because it feel like maybe like a 130, something like that. Like, it's thin. See that? And I usually like for wintertime, like I want a 180, 200, like I want a thickums. Y'all, this wig is freaking pretty. But anyway, I'm glad I got this color. But anyway, big hair friendly, I would say yes. You guys, I have gotten no shedding out of this bad boy. Like none. No shedding, no tangles. It's like the perfect everyday length. All I did was I plucked this much out of the parting space. I showed that to you guys. You saw the lace. I do feel like the lace could be a little bit better, but the claim for the Sleeklay part is flat. And sis, her flat is flatting. Like, I did not put any heat on this bad boy at all. Look at how flat it is. Like, I did not put a heating comb, an iron, a hair dryer, nothing. I just laid her down. Okay, you guys, she is 20 inches long. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And the thing that I like about these kind of units is that they bounce back very easily. Probably what I will actually do when she starts looking rough is I'll probably just use my my hair dryer comb. Yeah, I still got this one. Love it. And it is linked in my Amazon store. This is the best thing since sliced bread for wigs, for bouncing them back. One thing about her is if you like a textured wig and not a silky wig, then you're not gonna like her because she is very silky. And I was trying to show you guys that. Like, she is very, very silky. There is not a lot of yuckiness. Like, it's a little, sis, but for the most part, she is silky. So I just want you guys to know she has no yakety yak, okay? So there's that. Okay, honey, Moses parted the Red Sea. Do you see how far back that part goes? I love me a part that goes way back. So her part is parting. She does go ear to ear, as you can see. My lace is going ear to ear. And y'all, yeah, I did pluck her a little bit in the front, but truly, you really don't have to. I just wanted to pluck it a little bit just to, because I'm extra. Okay, so you guys, I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best wig I ever had, I'm going to give Miss Lilibeth, how about an 8.25? Because I don't like her density. I feel like she's just too thin. So I feel like if I had a couple more tracks in here, you could tell me nothing, sis. Should have been a 10. She is definitely one that would be awesome to have in your wig wearing arsenal. So if you want to just throw something on and have a quick everyday look, bam, here you are. Because your girl, she finna go check out the zoo. So yeah, y'all know I'm on my travel nurse assignment. I haven't been to the zoo here yet in Florida, and I'm finna go check it out right now. So I think this is the perfect hair for when I ride the zoo train and do all the little carousel and all of that stuff, feed the giraffes and whatevers. So yeah, I'm really excited about her, you all, and I'm excited about the new year. So you all, I hope you had a wonderful time bringing in the new year. This gonna be our year, sis. Focus, peace, freedom. Freedom from people, okay? It's gonna be about us this year. Self-care, okay? Have the freedom to have self-care. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let me calm it down and get to the zoo. All right, y'all. I love you to pieces. And remember, sis, what I always say. To show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy Grandma 2K. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, Weezettes. I love you. Oh, and if you're not a Weezette, just hit that subscribe button, sis. Join the fam bam and turn on those notification bells. All right. Mwah. I love you guys. Be blessed. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.
Ain't playing on speak a lot, and I can't stop, and I can't stop, and I can't stop, and I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper, 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business.